Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, today also we are going to look into the live trading video which we did today in Bank Nifty options. And friends, today being expiry, we had to be very careful. We had to analyze lot of things. We had to analyze the theta effect and also the decay which is going to happen today. There are many things which we had to analyze along with the direction of the market. So let us look into the analysis which we did today and traded today. Okay, so before going forward, people those who have not subscribed to my channel till now, this is a channel for the working people where you just have to place the entry and then just leave till end of the day, nothing else. You just have to spend 2 minutes. So in case if at all you have not still subscribed to this channel, I recommend you to subscribe and also press the bell button. You'll be getting notification as soon as I upload the videos. Okay friends, so friends, before going forward, just wanted to give you a quick summary of the trades which we have done till now. Yes, I agree the returns are huge. It's almost 48%. That is because the market is very volatile. But the point which I want to make you clear is, friends, look at the situation outside where many people are panicking. There are many investors who are losing lots and lots of money. There are many who have lost their hard-earned pension amounts or mutual funds amount and many things of that sort. But we as a traders, we are enjoying the profits. Okay, so this is the beauty of this profession, friends. Stock market trading, we just invest money in the morning and then by evening we just take our money out. We are not left at the mercy of the market, whether the market goes down or whether there's a gap up opening or whether there's a gap down opening. Nothing of that to worry. We just place morning trade and then just leave till end of the day and then just book a profit by 315 and not even worried whatever happens to the market or what even happens in US or whatever happens in Singapore. Nothing of that sort. We're least bothered about other developments happening. We are just bothered about executing our strategies and then booking a profit. So this is the reason why, friends, I recommend trading for each and every one of you. If at all you're not started still, or in case if you have a doubt about continuing in trading, this is a very beautiful profession. And during a time when people are losing lot of money, you can see that I'm almost making 48% returns in just 9 days. I agree it's not a common scenario, it does not happen always. It's just because that market is very volatile and moving in one direction, we're able to catch this profits. But one more thing which I want to make you learn here and understand here is about this part, friends. The losses which we're making, the losses are very limited, whereas you can see the profits. We are running the profits. The profits are much bigger than the losses which we're making. This is one more thing which you have to learn from my live trading video. I agree there are many other things which you have to learn, but one among the key part is cut your losses and run your profits. Okay, so if at all you make losses common. I agree, there is no guarantee that you can always make 100% success in any strategy. Losses are common, but your profits must be such that it should recover your losses and give you an extra mileage, the extra profit. Okay, so apart from that, you can also learn how I'm executing my trade, how disciplined I'm following the systems, how I'm analyzing the trend, and how I'm doing my money management. All those things you can learn in my live trading video. That is why I recommend please do subscribe the channel. You'll be getting all the notifications. Okay friends, so let us go into today's live trading video. So as you can see today, Bank Nifty, initially it opened down with a huge gap. Okay, so many people were panicked in this situation. So you can see the gap which is opened here, a huge gap. Okay, but then later when we were about to trade, you can see during we have put the 5 minutes charts, and you can see that the market is almost in a ranging phase. Yes, it's not a good situation for trading when the market is ranging. That is, if at all you are trading on Fridays and Saturdays. But today being expiry, we can always be confident that the premium will become zero in case if you're selling options. But in case if you're buying options, be very careful on Thursdays, especially in such kind of situations when the market is moving sideways. Okay, so let us continue. So when we look into the other time frames as well, when we look into the 10 minutes time frame, we can see that the market is slowly picking up. Okay, so you can see that the market is slowly picking up. And let us look, yeah, even the 30 minutes time frame also in this, yes, you can see that the market is picking up. The 1 hour is not giving a good indication. Okay, the 1 day is showing that it is going in a loss. Okay, so let us go to the smaller time frames because we have to do intraday trading. So in looking into the 15 minutes, you can see that it's giving an indication that the market is going up in after having a downfall initially. the trend is reversing, and then you can see that we are almost going up. So if at all you want to reconfirm, again we looked into the 30 minutes time frame, and then in this also we can see that the market is climbing up. This is the benefit of identifying the trend, friends. This is nothing but trend analysis by drawing the trend lines. That is how I'm able to find the trend. This is what I'm teaching all my students as well. So very beautiful, very easy to find the trend. So by doing this, we came to know that the market is going up. So our choices are very clear. We can either sell the put options, or otherwise we can buy the call option. But today being expiry, we are only going to do selling. Okay. So we have placed the order. The order is still not executed because it's already moved to 440. Okay, I placed at 455. There is a lot of volatility in the market, so I am placing at 440, and then you can see it is completed. Okay, the order is completed, friends. So around 11 o'clock you can see the profit has reached around 8,000 rupees. We are in profit around 11 o'clock. So this is common part of the trading. So then I have placed the stop loss, and then once the profits are moving, I moved the stop loss to our entry point, that is 464. Okay, so since we are already in profits, we can move this. So around 11:46 again you can see we are close to 10,000 profit. You don't need to follow it, I mean continuously monitor it, but just that curiosity sake I was just looking into the trade again. So around 15,000 profit, around 130. And friends, you can see that the LTP has almost reached 66. Yeah. So today being expiry, friends, you know that after 1:32 o'clock there's going to be a lot of volatility. It happens most of the time, if at all you have observed. And how do I know this? It's not prediction, it's experience. By experience I'm able to tell you. So then there's no point for keeping your trade open for just a small profits left out, because you know that premium just hardly 67 points, 66 points is left out. So if at all you get the profit also, it's hardly going to be around another 2,000 rupees. I don't think which is worth waiting for taking risk so much. So then I took a decision to square it off, that is book the profits. Yeah, let's me go to the order book and then take it to the present price and then just close it off. So you can see that the order which I had kept, the stop loss order which I had kept, I'm making it 70 and closing it off. Okay, friends. So we have booked a profit of 14,859. Okay. So this is the beauty of our trading. So as you have seen, it was very simple today also to identify the trend. And being an expiry day Thursday, we recommended you to sell. So we sold at 444 and bought back at 72. Yes, I agree. Market is still going further down. I mean, the price is still, premium is still going down. But never mind, we have to be satisfied. And today being expiry, we're not going to take much risk. And as soon as we finish, we are entering into our Excel. We have to maintain the track record. And then since it's profit, I am keeping it in green. And then you can see it, friends, almost a return of 48%. That is 96,000 rupees already with an investment of 2 lakh rupees. And friends, what else you can expect? When people are losing lot of money, we are making a lot of money. And that too, you can see me, I'm just doing with a small amount. In case if at all you want to trade big also, you can trade, provided your stop losses should be very careful. Yes, I agree, bracket orders are not allowed. That is the reason why I am keeping two separate orders, one for entry and another for stop loss. And as we are not keeping targets, we don't have to worry. Just enter and then just keep your stop loss. Okay, friends. So if at all you have still not understood on what I'm working and how I'm working, all those things, if at all you have any doubt, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. I'm repeating my number. It's 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.